Hello, all the fellow printmakers. Today I'm going to do a demonstration on how you could do print on sort of traveling away from your studio when you don't have a lovely shiny press. Obviously this is very heavy, I can't take it with me everywhere. And sometimes I feel if I go away, I really miss printing and I really wish I could still do it. So I bought a kit from Printing Kit on Etsy from lovely Rachel, and it has arrived. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ignore my press today and I'm going to use Rachel's kit and do a little card. It's a little bit different because I normally do colograph. This is using drypoint, but it's Intaglio technique as well. So I'm just going to do a really simple little card, but using also a little bit of chincolet to do some daffodils. I know I did daffodils last time, but they're still around, so I feel like I need to document them while they're still around. And it would make a really interesting black and white dry point with a little bit of yellow chincolet. So yeah, here, that's what I'm going to do today, and thank you for watching. So what's come in this wonderful kit is, and I slightly ruined it because it was so beautifully packaged and I've opened it already, but I haven't quite taken everything out yet. It's got really good instructions. I've read through them. I don't really need to because I know how to do printing anyway, but if you haven't, there's some really good stuff here. And I've got a little roller that I'm going to use to when I do actually the printing. And I have got a cute little pot with ink. And I love these cute little cotton buds, so I'm going to use them to wipe off all my lightest bits. And I've got these two plates for scratching on, and I've got this tool for dry point scratching, and it's something that I haven't actually got, so this is super exciting. And this is my scrim for wiping off ink. So lovely. My chincolet paper, the yellow will be very useful. A little bit of glue and these gorgeous cards. They are lovely. So the card will be sort of like this. Yep, perfect. And some newsprint all cut up already for blotting my wet paper and for protecting the paper when I actually print. So yeah, all is ready for me to get started. Went out to my garden, picked up some lovely daffodils. I have taken a photo. I know I should have really done a sketch of them being a proper artist, but I'm being a little bit lazy and I've taken a photo and I'm going to print the photo and I'm going to put it underneath my Perspex plate and I'm going to draw over it with my dry point pen. So yeah, that's the next step. I've got to get to the printer and print my lovely picture. So I'm going to start with my Perspex sheet and my dry point tool. I've got my whole workspace ready with newspaper because I'm going to get very mucky. And yeah, so let's begin. that was so much fun. I really enjoyed scratching out my daffodils. I quite like how they look on the perspex sheet. And what I'm gonna do now is take my card and I'm gonna soak it in this water container for a little bit. And then while I'm inking up, it's soaking up, and then I'm going to be ready to print.